In this video, we're going to define two somethings, the domain and the range of a function. And finding domains and ranges gets its entire section, that's section 3.2. So for now, it will suffice to say what these things are. And we'll introduce these concepts with a non-mathematical example. So let's consider the following function. It's going to take as an input a person, and it's going to give as its output that person's oldest sister. So this is a function. Every person can only have one oldest sister. Even if they're twins, one of them will be a minute or two older than the other. So inputs have unique outputs. Now, if you applied this function to my mom, she has an oldest sister. My Aunt Claire. So this input yields this output. But if we tried to apply this function to me, it wouldn't work. There is no output because I have no sisters. So this function works when my mom is the input, but it fails to produce an output. It kind of breaks when I am the input. This gives rise to the following definition. The domain of a function is the set of valid inputs. That is, the inputs that give outputs. So referring back to this function, the oldest sister function, my mom is in the domain of this function because when you stick her in as the input, you get an output. I am not in the domain. If you use me as an input, we do not have an output. So the domain gives you the valid inputs. Let's now ask, actually, maybe for time reasons, we'll make outputs its own video.